Assalamu alaikum, good morning, welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new on my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to press the like button. Let's get started. This is gold hourly chart. Yesterday gold tested around 1841.80 or almost 1842, then crashed back to test around 1823. Yesterday, US released its inflation numbers and the cost of goods and services in US climbed 0.6%, taking inflationary levels to the highest since 1982. According to the US data, the consumer price index, which is of course CPI or inflation, increased 0.6% in January. Main increase came in food, electricity, and rents. The food index rose 0.9%, following a 0.5% increase in December. The energy index, which indicates fuel prices and electricity prices, increased 0.9%. Interestingly, this sent gold to test around 1821.70, then sent back to 1842. If you were live on my channel while CPI number were released, I have given you these levels. I have given you these levels after the data. I have given these levels 15 minutes after the data because I was saying to you on my streaming that let the market settle first, wait 15 minutes, then we will see that. I have updated that after this candle, this red candle. The resistance was 1842. Gold tested almost 1842 and then crashed back. So even after inflation numbers, gold have respected our resistance. Support 1821 is still valid. Positive trend is still valid. So these are the levels I have given you in my live stream. So even now, if you don't join my live stream, you should do it because live stream have real value of your time. I usually live stream before US open. You can subscribe my live stream channel and click bell icon for notification. Yesterday, one of the Fed member had given a speech. Interestingly, James Bullard spoke to Bloomberg and he said that Fed should adjust their monetary policy to a factor in a rate hike of 100 basis point, or you can say 1% by July 1st. This is what drive gold down because these were the shock for the US bond yield and US bond yield and dollar index. This is the dollar index chart. These fire and these put pressure in gold prices. So again, many people were expecting that Fed will increase the rate by 0.25% in March, but now the expectations is minimum 0.5% because the inflation is non-stop affair since many months and it is just not stopping. Fed must be expecting that it would cool down on its own, but it is not cooling down at all. Let's see what happens next month. Many people are expecting minimum 0.5% rate hike in March. These are the levels. These are still valid. 1821 is still valid. Let's move on to silver. And if you want to avail my paid buy and sell signals, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen right now. So these are the levels I have given you yesterday in my live streaming. Of course, these are not valid because market have broke both the resistance and support now. Let's quickly have a look at resistance and support in silver today. 23.35, that will act as resistance now. If silver break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 2350 and 2370. Support at 2285. Below this support, expect 2260 and 2240. Currently, silver is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to crude oil. This is crude oil, and these are the levels I have given you yesterday in my live stream. 9150 was resistance. It made high around 9160 and then crashed back. So even here, crude oil did not sustain our resistance and crashed back. Interestingly, these levels are still valid, so I will not change those levels. Trend is still positive. 89 will act as major support now. Below this support, expect 88 and $87 in crude oil. Let's move on to forex. First, we will see euro. These are the levels from yesterday's video. 1400 was support. Here market broke 1400 and entered in weak zone. So these levels have to be changed now. 1445. That will act as resistance now. If euro break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 1480 and 1500. Support 1350 above. Below this support, expect 1300 and 1260 in euro. Currently euro is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to British pound. These are the levels from yesterday's video. Obviously market have tested resistance and now came back. These levels are not valid, so let me change levels first, but the trend is weak. 3590, that will act as resistance now. If pound break and sustain above this resistance, then expect 3630 and 3650. Support at 3490. Below this support, expect 3450. Currently British pound is in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to cryptos. These are the levels from yesterday's video. In fact, these are the levels running from 2 days, I guess. Market have changed from positive to negative now. Resistance now $45,250. Support at $42,100. The trend has changed from positive to negative, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Ethereum, then we will see Indian market levels. These are the levels from yesterday's video. Market have changed. Resistance now at $32.40. Support at $29.80. Currently it is in weak zone. Ethereum and Bitcoin both are in weak zone, so trade accordingly. Let's move on to Indian market. MCX gold is trading 48,770. Interestingly, it is not trading that low because USD INR is up. If your USD INR was on same levels, then you would have seen around 48,300. Nonetheless, the support at 48,680 rupees and the resistance at 48,930 rupees. I will refresh these levels around 5 p.m. So don't forget to check community post around 5 p.m. for refresh levels. You can also check zinc, natural gas and copper levels in community post by clicking the join button. For paid signals, you can send message on WhatsApp. Number is on your screen. Silver is trading 62,454 rupees. Silver resistance at 63,100. Silver support at 61,900 rupees. If you want to join live stream, you can subscribe my streaming channel. Link is in description. You can also follow me on Twitter and Telegram. Links are in description. Please make sure you follow me on official Telegram channel because there are many fake channels as well. If you have enjoyed this video or if you find this video useful, please don't forget to press the like button. That was the video, guys. If you have enjoyed the video, please click a like button. For my paid signal service, you can send me a message on WhatsApp. Number is in description. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.